Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Ben. We're the co-founders of WeBuild-AI. We've all seen it, promising AI pilots that never quite make it to production. The ideas are all there, but without a strategy grounded in what actually works, most organizations end up stuck. And that's exactly the problem we built WeBuild-AI to solve.
What makes us different is our approach, what we call deliberate AI. It's about closing the gap between AI ambition and production reality. We bring decades of hands-on delivery across financial services, energy and utilities, as well as other regulated industries. So we know what good looks like and the challenges in delivering measurable outcomes.
And in practice, that means we move fast. We're not talking about months of workshops and PowerPoint slides. We identify your highest value opportunities, whether that's AI agents, sophisticated knowledge management solutions, or a broader transformation roadmap. And we build strategies shaped by what's genuinely achievable for your business.
And because we deliver production-grade AI ourselves, nothing we recommend is theoretical. Every strategy is something we can help you execute.
And the result is a clear roadmap your teams can get behind that's built to reach production.
If you're ready to be at the forefront of enterprise AI, get in touch.